Ito dito kaluyo ha. Bi. Guys, papasok na kami dito guys. Dito. Saklang. Kailangan careful lang tayo guys. Baka yung apakan natin magdordiretso na. Yan guys. Careful lang, careful. Yan. Yan guys. Careful lang. Yan. Nakakatakot lakaran guys. Nakakatakot lakaran guys. Nakakatakot naman lakaran to guys. Parang mahuhulog tayo guys. Kakatakot lakaran guys.